Okay, so you're going to buy a Tesla and you're trying to figure out how to charge it. Let's start with the basics, okay? So this is a portable charger. It's an extra cost option with your Tesla. You can order it. You may or may not get it at the same time. But let's open up the bag. All right, so this is the contents of the bag. This is the portable charger, and it comes with two adapters that you plug into various outlets. This is for 240 volt, which means you have to match this. This one is to fit a 110 or 120 volt outlet. So let's plug that, let's get to plugging that one in. But before I get there, let me introduce you to this. This, of course, is a NACS output. This is a J1772 input. So if you have a wall charger at home or somewhere near you, you can use this J772 adapter to plug in your Tesla. Okay, so to plug in the adapter to the portable connector, you line up these angles and you push this on in. All right, so here's my handy dandy 110 outlet in the garage. I just take this, plug it in, and I see the green Tesla lights light up. We're ready to go. Okay, there's the portable connector hooked up to the outlet. Here's the driver's side back of the car. Take this little wand, push the button, door opens, push the plug in, blue light, come on, green light. Okay, when you get the green light, you're charging. Okay, so here we are charging up. I'm already at 70%. My charge limit's set to 80%. So depending upon who you ask, there's various recommendations. Unless Tesla tells you your battery tip actually needs 100% charge, you should probably only charge it to 90, 80%. You're doing this for the health of your battery. Okay, whatever. So we're going back and forth between 1 and 2 kilowatts. It's settled on 2. It's saying it'll take 5 hours, and in 5 hours I'll have added 10%. Okay, based upon what's being shown here. Will this take a long time? Yes. Okay, 1 kilowatt hour is worth about 4 miles roughly in your Tesla. Okay, depending on what car you have and how you drive it. All right, I have a Model 3. I tend to use FSD a lot, so I get just right at 4 miles per kilowatt hour, or 250 watt hours per mile. Okay, anyway, there you go. It's that simple. When it's done, I mean, the way I typically do it, and it's not the way you have to do it, there's an unlock charge port over here. So when it hits 80%, it'll stop charging. But if you want to stop charging before, you hit stop charging, hit unlock charge port, pull the plug out. And there you go. That is the bare basics of keeping a charge in your car if you have a garage. Okay? And actually, that's it. Okay, so it's time to go. We added 2 kilowatt hours over an hour and a half. So that's equivalent of 8 miles. If you want, you can check this. That's the estimate, but that estimate's not usually not useful. All right, so there you go. There's that. Bring up the menu, charging, stop charging, unlock charge port. Okay, there you go.